Hi friends, it's Fallon from Girl Scouts of Northeast Ohio again, and I'm here to guide you through another Wonders of Water activity. So today, what are we doing? We are learning all about making rainbows. That's right, rainbows. Do you see my wall? Not these kinds of rainbows, but we're going to make some with some fun, easy stuff that you should have at home. So before we get started, I want to ask you a couple of questions. The first question, have you ever seen a rainbow before? And the second question, if you've ever seen a rainbow before, what kind of weather was it in which you saw the rainbow? And the third question, do rainbows always happen during rain, or can you make them any other time? Well, while you're thinking of that, let's talk about the science of rainbows. So what you should know is that rainbows are made by water and light. So when rainbows are being made, what happens is the light is bending with the water. But let's talk about how that happens. So usually when light is traveling, if it's traveling in a straight line like this, it's called white or clear light. But when light is traveling and it's going along the line and it bends like this, what happens is the light bends, and if it's intersecting with water, then all of these colors pop up, and it's the 7 colors of the rainbow. So what are the 7 colors of the rainbow? There's red, there's orange, there's yellow, there's green, there is blue, there's indigo, and there is violet. So an easy way to remember all those colors is a name, and the name is super easy, and the name is Roy G. Biv. So just think about that when you're trying to remember the colors of the rainbow. So one more question for you. What's your favorite color of the rainbow? All right, let's get started. So first, you want to make sure you have a couple of things ready with you. Number one, you want to ask your caregiver, is it okay for you to do this experiment? And it's okay sometimes for you to get some grown-up help. I encourage it. So, number one, you need water. Yay! Number two, a flashlight. It can be as big or as small as you want it to be. Number three, a mirror. Now, if you're using a mirror similar to mine that has sharp edges, be very careful when you're using it. We don't want you to cut yourself. And then finally, a bowl. It doesn't have to be a glass bowl like this. It could be a shallow pan. Whatever you have at home is okay. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, friends, so we have our materials. The first thing I want you to do, so I want you to grab your pan or your bowl, and I want you to grab your mirror. And you are going to put your mirror into your bowl. See, mine is in the bottom. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your water, and you are going to fill this thing up. Whoops. As much as you can, and try not to spill. All right. And then you're going to take your bowl and you're going to put it on the floor or on a very flat surface. Hey friends, I'm back. So this is what we're going to do. You have your flashlight, you have your water, your mirror, and your bowl. Now the experimentation comes. So I've cut on my flashlight. And we are going to shine this in the bowl, and we're going to keep shining until we can see a little bit of a rainbow. Now, just know that you may have to do a little bit of experimentation before you can get your rainbow to show up this way. But this is not the only way to get your rainbows going. So, I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's a little baby rainbow right here. Kind of have to concentrate to see it, but I'd love to see what you guys can do at home. All right, that's it for now. Talk to you later.